Makoto Shinkai's tweet from last week has made a lot of fans put on their speculation hats in regards to his potential new upcoming movie. But is that really the case? Is a new Makoto Shinkai movie on the horizon? There's no solid confirmation for this, but we need to talk about this. So hello and welcome to Undervisey, my name is Soham, and in today's quick video, we'll be talking about Makoto Shinkai's latest tweet, which has sent a lot of anime fans into a crazy in regards to his potential upcoming movie. Now, anime fans obviously need no introduction from Makoto Shinkai. He's a decorated animator, filmmaker, and a director who is known for famous films like 5 cm per second, Your Name, Feathering with You, etc. But last week, that is on 28th October, he made a tweet from his personal Twitter account. The tweet was made in Japanese, and according to Google Translate, it somewhat means the following. Recently, I've been staying in my room and drawing storyboards, but my eyes are more blurred and harder than in previous works. Kita lol. Now, as far as I know, Kita means a form of oh my god or something like that, but it's not consequential that much. But down below we have a storyboard scene from his graphic tab, and this is sending a lot of anime fans into a frenzy as to a potential new upcoming anime movie from the house of Comic Waves. Of course, we have no confirmation barring from this particular storyboard scene. And even though we can obviously speculate on something like this, but there is no solid confirmation. Again, I'm also making this video on the basis of just this tweet, and there are no stuff backing the claim of a potential new movie. However, there are a couple of things that we can talk about here. The first and foremost thing is the fact that Makoto Shinkai is known for making movies within a span of 3 years. If you remember correctly, Your Name came out in 2016, Feathering with You came out in 2019, and going by this particular trend, it might be possible that a new upcoming Makoto Shinkai movie is on the horizon at 2022. And this might be the potential storyboard for that upcoming unnamed future movie, or this might just be a post that is meant to troll us the fans. However, there is one more thing which a lot of fans are forgetting at this point, and that is the fact that Makoto Shinkai is actually known for making a lot of commercials, ad commercials for a lot of different companies. One such commercial which actually went quite viral before the release of Your Name was Crossing Roads. It was for a company called Zekai, and it looks absolutely stunning. And it's not wrong to say that Your Name is actually kind of inspired by that particular commercial because the characters are kind of similar. And obviously a lot of different YouTubers have made videos dedicated to this particular topic, so I'm not going in depth here. You can obviously watch them on your own. But this particular boat scene which is visible from this tweet, it is actually kind of reminiscent of the Crossing Roads commercial. Here is the reference photo if you guys want to see. Obviously it's not the exact same thing, but it kind of looks similar. So it might actually be a scene from an upcoming commercial. Who knows at this point? This is just one particular background stuff for us the fans, and we have no further confirmation on this regard. But obviously fans are more and more excited for more Makoto Shinkai movies because they're absolutely stunning and gorgeous. And last year, Feathering with You actually released here in India as well. This was a very big achievement for us, the Indian anime fans. So we are all eagerly waiting for more stuff from Makoto Shinkai sir. So that's basically the thing. So what do you guys think about all of this? Is this just a troll post for us the fans? Or is this actually a post for any upcoming movies or any upcoming commercial? Is a Makoto Shinkai movie actually coming out in 2022? What are your thoughts about all of this? Please mention them in the comment section below. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Undervisey, and I'll see you soon in the next video.